I really don't like to block people. I really don't like to, block my followers. Well, I don't block my followers, actually. I block those people that are being stupid on social media. Like, you don't like someone, you don't appreciate this person, but she comes online and boom, you all are online. You don't do that bullshit. If I don't like you, you can't see my comments, you can't see my like, you can't see my view on your page. I'm not a fan of Bobrisky. Check out how he posts. He, her, whoever. You can't see me there. You can't see me. If I'm not your... See, I'm a brand. I will block them. You will block them, guys, because you need to create space for special and important people. Those people coming to talk trash on my comment section, I'm sorry. I'm not say I'm not well like that. I'm not too responsible like that. So I block una straight up. You can't say you don't like someone and you are watching the person. How do you guys do it? You don't like somebody you're watching. Why? So some of you guys are funny. If you don't like somebody, don't watch the person. Don't listen to the person talk. Don't even go close to the person. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So guys, you know what I mean. So if you do not like someone, don't watch them. If you don't like someone, don't go close to their page. There are some things I see on social media, I don't even click it because I don't have that time. I am too occupied. I'm too busy. I got things that I'm doing, important things that I'm doing with my time. I will not go to somebody's page that is not my friend, that I don't like, and go and watch your video to listen to what? I have a very short temper. So when I hear anything, I react. The best way I don't react to people is if I don't see it or hear it. If I hear them, you are in soup. You say hot soup? Yeah. You guys like what you hate. Don't like what you hate. Don't hate what you like. You guys like me. You're just for me what I don't know. I'm your celebrity crush, okay? So don't come here to comment one nonsense. I will block your ass. You don't like person, you just sit down, they watch the person. You dey crazy. You dey mad. You don't get sense. If you don't like people, don't watch them. If you're not a fan of somebody, stay away from that person. If you're watching me right now, you are a fan. You are a fan. You like me. You love me. You're crushing on me. Just come out straight. Though, the head is pain on me. Sorry, love. Though. Go so finish, yeah? Me no mommy. That's the EI, Bobby. Oh. Yes, darling, when you're big, you're big. When you are big, you are big. What did they do now? Ebony, she too loud. She do that. Is it your loudness? I'll call they do mwe. I know they do backbiting, no. You know, say some people when they talk on social media. Yeah, we're on social media. Oh, Krista, come on me. God, but their heart is dirty. Once you leave them, they start destroying your name. But we were loud, so we feel see you pass you. We feel day your back, but say why you they talk about that person? Leave her now. We'll talk and wear quietly, calmly. But some people, oh yeah, they will lick your skin, lick your body, but as you come out, they will frown. Say, oh now you, we have them. We know them. So guys, do not, please. If you like somebody, go to that person. If you don't like the person, stay away. You don't have to. Come on now. He said I use Bob voice for that. I know, guys. No, sometimes I just want to come here. So, guys, please go and follow my page. I beg you. Go and follow my page. Go and like my page. Abu Duosareti, I beg. don't do. So please go and follow my page at Ebony Obasuyi TV. That is where I'll be doing most of my videos. Oh. But I still come here once in a while to draw your attention to that side. Of course now. Of course. So I beg, Bola leave me, oh. Now me be the only single actress. All of us single. Now few don't marry. All of us they streets. We single die. Bola know them talk about Ebony. All of us they streets. We single die. Why they go out? I don't say my mouth though. I don't get difference. I be here time. Bola look here. Bola calm down here. I just do my where my girl? She supposed don't they block many people. Thank you. You love my doings. Thank you. So a lot of people love my doings, Ali. Thank you. All these people writing nonsense comment, they love me. They love my doings. Now jealousy, they worry them. Jealousy, Mama, me rock back. You just start this year 2020. Now Baz goes 2022. Sorry. Now Baz goes. I did studio job with a shoot. You don't enter live. I beg, delete and block all of them now fast. They are distracting me. Yeah, they go show a network. All right. I like that part of delete and block. Thank you, love, for those of you that really loves me, that genuinely loves me. God cut it for me, my clean top of this camera. My followers too many now. I get over 1,000 pending requests. So I can't leave useless people. They forget. Hey, I beg go. And they block people every day. Oh. But the followers see they come. Because they are in love with me. They love me. They love me so much. But they can't help it. All of us single now. How many people don't marry for our association? All of us they street now. How many don't marry? I don't understand though. Why they go? All of us they street. All of us single. Now only if you don't marry. Only if you. They ever reach for when they marry. I beg. For the young girls, so for our pairs, them the matured women they don't marry. Our pairs now only few. So all of us, Maya Warada right now. So if now they talk, one another.